back to the vlog. Today is Sunday and normally I would go to church. I don't think I'm doing that today because if you can't tell, I don't feel very good. My daughter Lily was up a lot last night. Probably every 20 minutes, and it wasn't like she just woke up to nurse. Like, she woke up and screamed on the top of her lungs. So I'm wondering if she doesn't feel good either. So I'm just gonna keep her home today, make sure that she's feeling fine. Alright, sing for me.
We worship you. We are. We worship. Okay, just some.
Are you saying where we are? We worship you where we are?
I don't know.
You don't remember the words? Lily, bring your ball here. Lily. Lily. Hey Lily, come here. Are you poopy? Yeah? Say, yeah, Mama, I'm poopy. I got a poopy butt.
Hi.
Hi. You say hi?
Hi.
Good job. Pretty sure hi is her first word. That's a good first word, right? Lily said her first word. Hey, little Miss Lily is in her PJs and I just wanted to show off those two top teeth she's getting. Oh, aren't they so cute? Sorry, that's probably the most annoying voice on the planet. I'll try not to do that anymore. Oh, got a tree? Tree, there you go.